You don't think stuff will close green today, do you? Which one are you doing? Huh. It's just really tight. Do you think Zoom would do an upward wedge at like 179 as a resistance? Jake. I don't know, it's a close call. I see this wedge, right? This is a nice wedge. The question is like, how do you execute an order at 28 cents? I don't know how to do that. Could you just put it in, I guess? I guess you have to trade it under all products. And then you can do like 29. It's kind of cool. You think SPY's gonna do a head and shoulder inverted here?
Oh yeah.
You see that? It would have to bounce right here, but I mean, yeah.
Yeah, look at Shopify. Wow.
Holy shit! Oh my gosh! Yeah. Well, crap, dude. Zoom could break out to the upside then, and I'm not gonna mess with that if it does because I want to hold until I see a really good trade later in the day that has like 10x upside.
Yeah, this is I don't know what shop we'll go to.
Dude, I was telling you, 635 is what I said this morning. Dude, I got hit hard this morning. I don't know about you, man. It was sad.
On what?
I like both those positions. They're both like minus 30%.
Oh yeah, on the buyback.
Yeah. And
Well,
beyond.
look at it now, though. I mean, it's pretty glad you got out.
Yeah, you're right. This guy, I mean, it was definitely the right exit. You know what's crazy though is if I just reversed after I exited, it would have been like, 100x trade or 100% trades.
Yeah, I did exactly opposite.
Yeah, it's that. Well, it's like the opposite at the exit, right? So you get in and it invalidates, then you do the other side of the trade. I think Nvidia's in a head and shoulders. Zoom could totally break out to the up here, dude. I would like literally go insane. I mean, that would be awesome. There's a lot. What?
Zoom.
Yeah, Zoom, ZM, dude.
Yeah, but you thought it was gonna go down.
I did. There's more upside. It's like twice as much upside on the down. It's a symmetrical wedge, dude. It's either way.
Play it. Wait until you know.
Well, I can't really play it. I only got one trade, and I'm only trading it if it goes down. I'm not trading it if it goes up. Because I got targets if it goes down. I don't have targets if it goes up. It'll be at all-time highs. And I only have one trade, so it's like, it's not good risk-reward if you don't know the reward. It's a good trade if you got infinite money, dude. And it breaks over 1792, then it'll go to like probably 183, 183.5. But that's just not enough to get me interested with only one trade,
Yeah.
How was your lunch? Your 7-minute lunch?
No, I just got a snack.
Yeah.
Shorted. I get he shorted. That's crazy.
Well, I mean, what do you mean?
I don't even know how you short on here.
Dude, you just push sell.
Oh, sell to open?
Yeah. I mean, its positions are moving like 1%, dude.
Wait, so if you do the active trader and you press sell to open a put, what does that do? You want it to go up or down?
Oh, no, bro, that's messed up. That's gonna write an option contract. You don't want to do that. I'm talking about just selling the stock.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. I'm talking about selling option contracts.
No, dude, that's where...
If I press sell on the active trader for an option contract, would it open a position?
Yeah, you would write the contract, you would have required collateral, and then if the trade, like, basically, you know how you make, like, 10,000% a trade?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you sell that contract, you have to pay some dude 10,000%.
Yeah. So you can't just get out of if you sell to open a...
You gotta buy to close, yeah.
You can't just get out whenever you want?
You can get out whenever you want.
Okay.
But it's like, you can just buy calls or puts instead, and you have less, much less exposure and risk.
That's crazy.
Alright, dude, Zoom bounced. What do you think about SPY?
They'll do the next shoulder.
You don't think they already did it?
No, I don't know. I mean,
I'm looking at the 1 minute.
I guess you could say if they did.
We'll see. Do you think Spy could do a W?
Yeah, dude. Then shop's gonna go to 6:35, then we get in.
Like, look at it on the 5-minute, dude. You looking at Spy on the 5?
1.
Yeah, it's a little hard to see on the 1-minute. Check it out on the 5-minute, dude. There's a like possibility that could be a W. Again, the 2 deviation target for the M setup was at 277.6, 277.8. So like that would be below the 205-minute moving average.
So let me see.
Dude, if they go to like 280, like that could be a W on Spy, and they could go to 282, 281.75. It all kind of depends on what they do right now.
So they're at the bottom of the next W.
It's tight.
I'm just gonna go with what it does. Don't make any big assumptions.
Right. Intel has no Q2 guidance. Yeah, I freaked out, dude, when I saw Zoom at the bottom of that wedge. Because those contracts, bro, they doubled.
The calls.
Yeah, puts.
It's a good thing you didn't get in.
Well, I mean, like, it would have been good to double, but I'm trying for bigger, but yeah. I don't know, you might be right, though. Just wait until shop hits 6:35. Market hits 1 o'clock or something. Because that's when all these good trades are, man.
I can't believe that Shopify, how it went up last week. That was crazy.
It was awesome, dude. Yeah, see, like, he shorted Papa when I got out.
Who did what?
He shorted Baba when I got out.
Who did? Kyle?
No, but if like you did though, as I'm saying, if you reverse the exit,
Yeah, I wonder how much they went up.
I mean, they probably doubled, probably 150%.
Crazy, dude.
Yeah. So like, yeah, dude. Do you think Zoom's gonna drop out of this? Like, I think they might, dude.
Just don't chase it.
Right.
A lot of times when they drop out, they come back up and retest it again, then you get in.
Yeah, you're right. These contracts were at a penny earlier. They're at about 30 cents. Or sorry, they were at 10 cents earlier. They're about 30 now. I don't know, I just see the biggest play on Zoom. I don't see much else like it. So we'll see. I'm just gonna watch it closely, I guess.
or 5. If you do those, so you're gonna pay about if you do the 610s, they're about $1.
Excuse. The 610 puts are $1?
Maybe $1.20.
What are the ones that are at the money?
That would be about $7.50.
Okay, dude, that's like 7x upside if they go to lower VWAP band.
What's the chances of that happening?
They got a hardcore support at 614, you said.
Is that holding in there, man?
Yeah. It's interesting. The trade on TD is like $20. Like in and out. I mean, it's a lot.
You can get filled for those 610s now for like $1. But I see what you mean about SPY W here.
You think it makes sense to take further out of the money contracts that are gonna have like way higher trading fees but also way higher upside?
You could argue that either way. I mean, the fee's not really that much if you're only doing 10 or 15 contracts.
I mean, I'm doing like 40 contracts.
For what?
For Zoom.
Yeah, how much is that? That's like...
It's like a grand.
No, in trading fees.
Oh, it's like $40 in, $40 out.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
It's $65 a contract.
Dude, you do 40 contracts, you're gonna pay $26 to get in.
Yeah, so 40, about 50 total. Good God, I don't think I've ever bought that many contracts. So I don't... Yeah, I mean... What are you buying, like the 170s?
Yeah, the 170s.
Yeah, because if they would, what is that, 181, like 180 to 173, 650 minus, gotta put them right at 170, I'm thinking.
Yeah. The ones that are in the money right now are worth 5 times as much. The ones that are close to the money are like 5-6 times as much. So, I mean, the target is like probably $1.20. And then I'm thinking too, if it gets that low, it might keep running, right? I'm thinking it could keep running to like 165.
Well, you can scale in here, so you get a good fill price if you want.
You're right. I can scale in here, that's right. I gotta out it all at once, though.
So yeah, just,
I mean, they're getting close to the edge of that wedge.
you still got a little time.
I do, you're right.
I got it crossing at 12,
Yeah, about 12. Yeah, 12:17. Yeah, 12. Yeah. It's just what way is it gonna go, you know? Because it's hard to make the bet after it breaks out because the shit's really volatile and it's got fat spreads.
Yeah, because if you wait, yeah, you're gonna be screwed.
So you have to make the play before it breaks. And I guess you can partially scale in for the play too. Alright, well, here it is. See what happens.
They might bounce up here.
Yeah, that's the goal. If they don't, I mean, look, this has got to be either a 10 out of 10 A-rated setup, and if it's not, like, we can trade another stock at 1 or 2 o'clock, and I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
So, because I got one trade, alright? This is either going to bounce here and go back up and then enter it, or it won't. I mean, it's not like a halfway. You can't halfway that. What do you think?
Yeah, do not buy it when it goes up green candle.
Okay.
How much did they go up the contracts? Wait, you were gonna buy 40 contracts of the 170s at what, 40 cent?
No, they just doubled.
They were 20 cent.
Yeah. Damn it. Yeah, I think I missed it, dude. The contracts just tripled.
They're still like 40 cent.
Is it, man? I don't know. You can get in that, bro, but I only have one trade. Like, if I have more trades, I'd do a partial entry. But I don't, you know? It's like one and done.
Don't sweat it, man. If they go back up to... See, that's tough, though, because a lot of times, like with Tesla, I would get in like that, I'd be in right now, and they go straight back up.
Well, I mean, I probably would have sold a third. I mean, you triple your money on it.
I don't... See, how would you triple? They were 40... You were telling me you were going to buy like 30 cents. They're only 40.
Nah, bro, 20 to 60. 20 to 60. Look at the time in sales. 20. High side, 23 cents a contract. To 55, 60 cents a contract. I'm just, like, that's just what it was, you know? It's not like, I mean, it's just, I don't know. I mean, I would still be in 2/3 because it's still the same setup and it's a really good setup and the target is still way below. But I'm just saying, you know.
I'm still looking at Shopify.
Right. So we're gonna say no go on Zoom. Cause that's.
Hey, if you would have got in that, you said you couldn't scale out. So what would you have done? Would you be out now, or would you?
Oh yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Is I can't do this trade because I don't have day trades.
How were you gonna do it? So you weren't gonna do it anyway.
Well, I mean, I was gonna do it. I don't know. It's a tough call. It's a really tough call because you can't scale into a position. It's just difficult.
I don't know what Shopify's gonna do, but I do know they're pretty high.
I'm saying for you though, would you want would it make sense to get in Zoom right here?
I'm sorry, do what? I was looking out the window.
I'm saying for you, would it make sense to get in Zoom?
I'm thinking. I think they go to 170 at most.
Well, I mean that's like 300%.
I would do the 175 if I was you.
Well, I mean, dude, I can't do this trade. Like, I just don't have the day trades for it.
So the 175s are like $2. Do they do what the market does?
Zoom, pretty much. Market's going up, so I don't know. Alright, shop's going to 635, like I said.
I still think that's the better trade here.
Well, lucky for you, I didn't make the Zoom trade.
Huh?
I said I didn't make the Zoom trade. So, lucky. Alright, what's the play on shop?
At this point, though, the 610s are pretty far out. I mean, I don't know if I'll do that again. Right?
I mean, it's like that's basically lower VWAP, right? So it's close. Here they are. What do you want to do? You want to do? Come on. You want to do 620? Do you like 620?
630 is 450. So that 630 or 620.
Well, which one do you think's better?
So if it goes to 6, I think maybe 615. I think they'll go to.
Yeah, but
So that'll be worth 5. That'll be worth 15.
so that's got
What do
better
you think?
upside.
I'm thinking 630 maybe.
All right, we'll do 630.
Well, that's really close, yeah. Because I mean, 615. That would make them worth $15. And that'd be 4, 8, 12, 3 or 4 eggs.
Okay.
Or the 620s would be. It just depends how low you think they'll go. I mean, 614 is pretty strong.
Right.
But do you think that's their peak right there?
I do think that's the peak right there.
They could go to 640, which would be good, but.
I mean, that's a hammer.
What do you think? I'm thinking. Let's see about 630.
I think Marcus can reverse right here, dude.
What do you think? 630?
Yeah, I like 630.
They could just keep running up though.
Alright, well, you can give it a second. I'm not in yet. I didn't get filled. There's not like a solid, like, hardcore setup on it.
But going to 620 seems reasonable. I mean, you get 100%. That's pretty good, isn't it?
I don't know.
I mean, I think it is.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and expect an 8,500% every day.
Hey, you're right. I'm thinking we'll do a head and shoulders. This is the head. What do you think about that?
Yeah, we could get filled for 450 right now, I think.
Do you think I should take this or wait till end of day?
What, like at 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
It's up to you, man. I don't know.
Okay. Hey, Zoom's on the news. Oh, bruh! Oh!
What? The contracts?
They're on the news, dude. They're going straight down. It's just kind of cool. I don't know. Contracts are still at 300. That's a good call and shop, dude. Dude, and the entire like everything on the news is them freaking out about the transcription that Zoom is implementing, and it's just them transcribing the news on the news in the news.
They're still, yeah, they're up about 400%.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. Are you in shop?
No.
No, it's okay. Yeah, I think head and shoulders here. This is the head. Because Spy's in that wedge starting at 11:10, 11:05. And I'm thinking they'll break below that, and shop will go to 626. I don't know, man. I would make that trade. I just don't have day trades, man.
You got one.
I got one. I do have one. I do have one.
Get filled about 5.
I was putting in bids at 420, but I didn't have the BP. What was that 420?
420?
Yeah, the contracts.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough.
Well, no. I like the contracts were at 420. I was trying to buy though. I didn't have the BP. Is what I'm saying.
So you think shop will go down?
Yeah, like I said, 635 is like more than likely. Like I said, 635 is the top. Yeah. Like that's my bet anyway. Alright, bad news for the SPY. Private equity and hedge funds can't get PPP free money. That's gonna tank the market, bro.
Today?
Yeah.
Place your order in, man.
I'm waiting for big shit. And I'm not exactly super smiling from the Zoom stuff, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of time. I really wanted to like, cause they're, I don't know, if they go to that target, bro, oh my god. But I don't think there's much harping on them. I kind of missed the entry point, and getting in right now, it's just a lot of risk on that trade. It's just a lot of risk. I got a lot of people trading. You're in shop, right? So you're just waiting for that to work out?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, Boeing's down 7% today.
So if you do a stop order on an option contract, when does it execute? When the limit gets there or when the market price?
When the last price gets there. But you just have to be careful because sometimes with low volume, like Zoom was a little bit low volume, so like I had to stop, not Zoom, Beyond was a little bit low volume, so I had to stop. But like my stop was like the spread was like $1, right? So my stop was like within the spread, and so that's where you can kind of get fucked up if it doesn't have good volume.
You can enter in shop right now, man.
What?
You gonna enter in shop?
You think I should enter in shop? Okay, is that the play?
Nah, I don't know. I mean, it's... Yeah.
I got one trade. What do you think?
You can buy multiple times, though.
Well, I know, but I like this would have to be the trade. It would have to be shop.
You see any other ones that you like? We'll take a look.
What?
I mean, I don't see any other, but they should be pulling up, dude.
Yeah, you're right. What the hell? Shit, the contracts are at 4. Is that an out or an in?
Out.
Gotcha.
I only have one of them.
Oh, gotcha.
I got filled at 5 and got out at 4.
Dang. That was weird because SPY, look, it went below that wedge. I mean, maybe my support line was wrong.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait till later.
Okay, we'll wait till later. I got excited because of Zoom, and so that's why I kind of called, but obviously market wasn't there for it, or whatever.
Alright, I'll call you back. I'm gonna go downstairs a little bit.
Okay, that sounds like a plan. We'll do it later.
Alright, see ya.
Alright, good luck, Jake. Bye. Okay, so we are definitely gonna have to wait till like 1 o'clock, I guess. So I'll see you guys at 1 o'clock. not 12 o'clock. This was a play on Zoom. It was a solid play on Zoom. This is a 100%, 300% trade. I'd say probably average sell. If you have like the trades for it, you do a third at 300. I would probably do another third at 100 and probably hold the last third and see what happens here because I really do think this will go to target. So I might hold like 2/3 target. I don't know. I'm not in the trade, so it's hard to tell. I would definitely sell a third at 300%. Because that recovers the whole cost basis for the trade, and then it's just all money after that. And you can set a stop at like 176 and not even worry about it because that's just pure money. Yeah, so yeah, that's Zoom and then Guild. And I guess we're just gonna have to wait. 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 We have to wait. And yeah, maybe we have a good trade this afternoon. Maybe we don't. I know, like, I've been hitting for really big trades lately, and I know it works. I just have to be careful. My position sizing is what it usually is. I just had a hit last week that hurt, and so I don't know. I'm just hoping it works out well. So we'll see how last trade goes. I'm gonna cut it for a couple hours just because it's gonna take a couple hours for everything to consolidate and everything to break. Definitely wrong on shop, so it's my fault. And we'll sort of see where the rest of the day goes. So I will hopefully see you guys So thank you. Bye.